In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all hyperlinks from Microsoft Word. Hyperlinks are useful when you want readers to quickly access websites, email addresses, or other documents. However, there are times when you may want to remove them, especially if you're preparing a printed document, submitting formal work, or cleaning up text that was copied from the internet. First, open the Word document that contains the hyperlinks you want to remove. Hyperlinks usually appear as blue, underlined text, although their appearance can vary depending on your formatting settings. If you only need to remove a single hyperlink, you can right-click directly on the linked text and choose Remove Hyperlink from the menu. This will keep the text, but remove the clickable link. However, if your document contains many hyperlinks and you want to remove all of them at once, there's a much faster method. Click anywhere inside your document, then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select all the content. Make sure everything is highlighted before moving to the next step. With all the text selected, press Ctrl, Shift, and F9 at the same time. As soon as you do this, Word will instantly remove every hyperlink in the document. The text will remain exactly as it is, but the links will no longer be clickable and the formatting will return to standard text style. Keep in mind that this action removes all hyperlinks permanently in that document, so if you still need certain links, you may want to remove them individually instead of using the shortcut. Also, if your text still appears blue or underlined after removing hyperlinks, you can manually adjust the formatting by selecting the text and changing the font color or removing underline from the Home tab. Removing hyperlinks is especially helpful when finalizing professional documents, resumes, reports, or printed materials where clickable links are unnecessary. It also helps maintain a clean and consistent appearance throughout your file. That's how you can quickly and easily remove all hyperlinks in Microsoft Word using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.